Hello and welcome to the latest in our diagnostic series for the Simbell wireless ringing system. We get a few queries on the installation and use of the drivers, so we thought today we'd do a very quick video on installing the correct drivers which you can download from our website. So if you don't have the correct drivers installed, you may not get any communication at all with the receiver, or you may get some intermittent problems. So consequently, it's a really good idea to download and install the correct drivers. So we have here in front of us the Simbell website, and if we go to the software section and scroll down to the bottom, you'll find that there is the Simbell hardware and software drivers. To download them, you simply click the download option at the bottom here. There will always be the latest version of the drivers that we've tested on here. Click to download, and the download will take a few seconds. So what we'll do is we'll just click the button here and say open. And once you open the driver section, you can double click on it, and then the top application here, the CH340 Windows.exe, is the one you want, so double click on that, and then you can just say run. It will extract the files, and then your screen will often go blank, and it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You say yes, and at that point it will start to install the software. You'll get this driver setup window with the correct driver version that you want, and you simply click install, which will take a couple of seconds. And it will say the drive is successfully pre-installed in advance. What that actually means is you haven't got the receiver plugged in at the moment. You just click on OK and close the window. Now, if we then bring up Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start button in Windows 10, and you will see you'll have no ports. We haven't plugged the receiver in yet. It just says on this machine we've got two Bluetooth serial ports, COM6 and COM7. So I'm now going to plug in the receiver, and we hear the connection, and you'll see here that on my system it's come up with USB serial CH340 on COM4. So that's the COM port that you need to use. If you want to change that, simply right click, select Properties, Port Settings, Advanced, and then at the bottom here you can set the COM port number. If any of them are in use, so on this machine I've got COM3 in use, COM5, COM6, COM7 and COM9. So if I want to, I can set that to COM1, click OK, and then when I go back to the main Device Manager screen, you can now see I'm on COM1, and that's what you should set in all of your software. So there you go, we've installed the correct driver. It should look like this: USB-serial CH340, open brackets, and then your selected COM port number. So we hope that's helped. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact us through our website, our Twitter feed, or alternatively by email, and we'll help as much as we can. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your ringing.